Regulators! What up, boys? Danny from life.atv here. You know I got code behind the camera.
What's going on, guys?
And as you can see, we're in my garage. We're gonna grab the Rzr, we're gonna head out to Codes, and we're gonna ride the creek a little bit with it, right, man?
Yeah, it's pretty shallow right now, but you know what? We still think it's gonna be fun. So
it'll still be, yeah, fun riding through the water. So that's what we're gonna do in this video, guys. I know you guys don't really care for the Rzr videos, but we're gonna keep trying to make them, man. They're fun to make.
Yeah, they're honestly fun to make. So we're just gonna keep doing them.
We've never done these videos for views, guys. We just do them for fun. So yeah, we'll be on our way. Code Polaris. Only exception. Oh God, that's fucking close, man. I think your new mirror's cold, buddy. Got Cold Man in the nice camera, boys. We're gonna have Eric trailing. Water's pretty shallow right now, but I still think we'll find some cool spots.
We're just doing it because we think it's gonna be fun. So here we are. You ready to take her in the water, buddy?
Oh yeah.
We roll it. Screw it.
Okay. Okay, there's a tree right there. That's all right. Cole's gotta get the shots, attaboy. Attaboy. You good? Holy fuck, did we came up that?
Yeah, dude, we went up that.
Shit. That's fucking steep as fuck.
Dude, I know.
Oh, boy.
Holy shit. Oh no, dude. How are we gonna get out of here? Eric doesn't even know where we are.
They're stuck in there.
Crazy bastard. What am I stuck on, dude?
You're just in.
Oh. Then I gotta hit with some bang?
Oh my God, you're gonna roll it. Oh my God, you're on that stump. Just go, dude, you're good.
But that's be a sick picture, dude. Ready? Good. Grab the winch, buddy.
Okay, I'll grab it. Attaboy. Oh my God, I got chowed by mosquitoes so freaking bad in there.
I think,
Hey, buddy!
Come look at the ledge, dude!
When you get a chance, look at the ledge that we
Come
went
right
down.
here, buddy! Come. We cleared a nice path though, buddy.
Checks are gone, guys. Wow. They're gone, but damn mosquitoes and shit are out.
Ouch.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty when you're doing
Oh. I hit that one spot, though. Shook my gut to beat hell. Made another trail, did you?
Look at this wall right here, dude.
Right now. Because you could have went up right there.
That steel post is in the way, so that's why I didn't want to go right there.
Oh, yeah.
And then you see where I tried to get up over there, too?
Isn't that where the old trail was, right there?
I can't remember. I thought I was on it.
It was right next to that freaking tree. And you go out right over there.
Well, I think that tree down.
Tree in the way over there.
I think that tree down is
it's
blocking
there.
it.
See, I tried to come out right there.
Oh, that's for you?
Yeah, that's
okay.
That's where I tried to come out and I couldn't do it.
How'd you do in here?
Well, nothing.
No problem.
But down here, I mean, go drop down here first. I thought, fuck, we're gonna have to go back up that way. I had to winch her out, buddy.
Our bed down here.
Winch works.
Good.
Tied a tire to a tree.
Yeah, we had to
They couldn't have got any closer. Nope. No, I don't use four-wheel drive unless I need it.
It's pretty deep around that corner.
Yeah, it does. I ain't going in there.
I can hear the muffler bubbling.
Yep. If you roll it, you roll it.
Keep going. Don't stop.
Get more straight on. Fuck.
Go fast.
Think of it.
Go.
Oh, we're back, baby. I'm so bottom down right now.
Ready, man. I wasn't ready.
Think I can make it, old man?
Your four-wheel drive will help pull you up. Danny, back up just a little bit. Take a little bit more of a run at it. Keep your front tires up there, though. Keep going.
Get it?
Let's go a little bit more.
A little more back?
Yeah. Buddy, give her help. You'll make it. You'll make it. Hell yeah, see, no problem.
All right, boys, it seems like a fitting way to end the video. It was right where we ended the video from a couple videos ago. So yeah, just messing around the creek in the Rzr, and Eric was falling in the Can-Am. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button, and we'll see you next week, right, dude?
Yep, see you guys later.